Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome back on my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, my video is gonna be about how I dry my hair with rollers. So as I said on my last videos, I don't air dry my hair. I actually use rollers for that. And in the comments, like everybody was asking me, please show me the technique, show me the technique. So here I am showing you how I dry my hair. So I'm gonna show you on the next clip. Hi, so I already did my shampoo, I already did my deep treatment, I already put my conditioner and detangled lightly my hair in the shower. So now it's a little bit damp. It already had time to dry a little bit when I got dressed and things like that. So I'm just gonna put some more water. It's some cold water. I want my hair to be dripping wet for the purpose of the video, which is to show you how I put on my rollers. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so now my hair is very wet. I'm just gonna put some mane and tail detangler. This thing like detangles everything, so I'm just gonna put that everywhere. Because even though I detangled in the shower, I used a big comb, so there may be some knots and tangles still left on my hair, so I'm just gonna spread that everywhere. Then I'm gonna take a small comb like this, take the end and separate my hair into two sections. Okay, so I'm gonna put one section away. Then I'm gonna separate this section into two again. So just like that. I'm putting one section away. So I'm just gonna do this part first, then I'm gonna show you how I do it on this part. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that first section is done. As you can see, I have 4 rollers on, 2 per sections. So in total, I'm gonna have 8 rollers. So I'm gonna show you on this side what I did. Okay, so first I'm gonna separate this one into half, like this one. Just like that. So I'm gonna put this back section away, and I'm gonna work on this front part. So first I'm gonna go ahead and wet it so it can be dripping wet. Don't worry, I got a towel on the floor so it won't be wet, but yeah, I really want my hair to be like dripping wet, and I'm gonna explain to y'all why. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead again with my mane and tail detangler. Shake it. Then I'm gonna take my big tooth comb, my wide tooth comb. Comb it out, starting from the bottom. Now we're here. Okay, so once everything is detangled, you want to take an elastic band, a scrunchie, I don't know how you call that, but the ones without the metal part. So just elastic all around, and you want to make a ponytail on the middle of the part, okay? So not too high and not too low, in the middle. And you really want to make it tight so that if you have some new growth, it can be stretched at the same time. But now I think that I'm 3 weeks post relaxer, so I don't have not much new growth, but that's the same technique that I'm doing even if I had some extremely long new growth. Okay, so you want to make it tight, like a ponytail in the middle section, just like that. Then you want to take your leave-in conditioner. I like mine to be in a spray bottle, so I'm using the Cream of Nature with argan oil leave-in conditioner. This one I'm gonna put all the products used in the description box down below, so don't worry. So you want to shake that and spread all over the ponytail. Then you want to go back to your small tooth comb, and you want to brush it, comb it instead. Yeah, you want to comb it so that you can distribute all the products and even remove some of the tangles that may be left on the hair. Okay, so once your hair is smooth like that, you want to separate that into two, one up and one up and one down. Try to make it like equal in hair density. So I'm gonna work on the part that's at the top. You want to smooth it out again. Then I'm using my roller. I'm using the blue ones. I don't know what's the size of it, but it's like more, it's like that. Okay, so I'm using those just because I want my head to fit under the hooded dryer. If I used bigger ones, it wouldn't fit, so I'm using those ones. So that's the part where it's very important that your hair is dripping wet, because that's gonna make it stick on the roller, and you want your hair to stick on the roller so that when it dries, there's no frizz. It's gonna be dried all smooth. Okay, so you want to roll it on the hair. Take the ends, make it stick, just like that. It's sticking on the roller. Roll that up. And put it on top of the head. Then securing with some clips like that. One at the front and one at the back, so that it stays. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the part that's at the bottom, so we're gonna smooth it out even more. Take our roller. So what we did on the first roller, we put the roller we put the roller on top of the head, but with the bottom part we're gonna put it under. Okay, so once again I'm making my ends stick, then roll it up and place that under the first one, taking clips. And that's it, you have it. I'm gonna show you once again with the last part. Okay, then going back with my detangler, my mane and tail detangler, using my white tooth comb. Once everything is detangled, want to take your elastic, using my leave-in conditioner from Creme of Nature, sorry. Take your roller, put it over the hair on the first part. So you want your hands to stick on the roller. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Hair clips. Doing the same on the lower part. So smooth it out even more. Putting your roller under the hair. Making sure the ends stick. And roll it up. Alright, so there you have it, my hair full of rollers, using only 8, using only water to make it dripping wet so that the hair sticks on the roller and that it dries smooth without any frizz. Using my mane and tail detangler so that my hair can be knot free, tangle free, smooth. And my Creme of Nature argan oil leave-in conditioner so that my hair can be all moisturized, all smooth, smelling good and all that stuff. So after that, what I'm gonna do, since I have a dry skin, I'm gonna use some pomade just to protect this part from the heat that's gonna be like very hot. Then I'm gonna use my Pantene Smooth Heat Protecting Spray. So even though I'm not using direct heat on my head, I'm using a hooded dryer, I want to be sure that my hair is protected from heat damage. So I'm just gonna spread that everywhere. So that's it. Then we're gonna go under the hooded dryer, okay? Okay, so now this is me under the hooded dryer. So I normally do my homework, I eat, or I just go on YouTube, watch some videos. So normally I stay there for an hour 15, an hour 30. So now I am removing my rollers. So I remove the clips first, then I let my roller slide. Then after that you can see the curls that were created on my hair, but I don't want that, so you're gonna see me shaking my hair just there. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Then I am removing the elastics. So after I remove the elastics, my hair is completely dry, but the parts that were under the elastic is feeling like a little bit cool, not wet anymore, but just cool. I don't mind that. All I'm gonna do is let it hair dry for this part. Air dry, not hair dry, air dry. So I am combing my hair out just to remove the parts that were there. So after that, I don't use any other products. I'm just gonna leave it like that for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna come back and show you how my hair is feeling and looking like. Okay, so I'm back with my hair completely dry now. So it's been like an hour since I left, since I removed the rollers of my head. So here is my hair. I've done this technique, it's been like 2 if not 3 years. It's seriously the one that works the best for me. It's the quickest and I really like it. But if you have any other suggestions on how I should dry my hair, please leave it in the comments below. If you want to see any other videos, you can leave me suggestions down in the comments also. It can be about hair, it can be about makeup, anything. I am glad to do it for you. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.